Forget settling for basic. Today we're diving into the ultimate AI video generator showdown. Hailuo Ai versus the game-changing Sora. First up, video quality. Hailuo Ai offers crisp visuals and smooth rendering, especially excelling in animated explainer videos. Sora, in the glimpses we've seen, boasts unparalleled realism and intricate detail, pushing the boundaries of photorealistic AI video. We need to see more to be certain, but early impressions suggest a significant leap in visual fidelity from Sora. Now, ease of use. Hailuo Ai shines with its intuitive interface. Simply input your text prompt, choose your desired style, and hit generate. Customization options are readily available, allowing you to tweak aspects like camera movement and character animation within the Hailuo Ai platform with relative ease. Sora's accessibility is still under wraps, but the anticipated design points towards a streamlined, prompt-driven workflow. The extent of its customizability remains unknown, but expect a user-friendly design considering OpenAI's current products. Let's talk money. Hailuo Ai offers various subscription tiers depending on your needs, from individual creators to enterprise solutions. Sora's pricing structure is yet to be announced, but anticipate a cost reflecting its advanced capabilities. Keep an eye on updates, as this information will determine which fits your budget. The verdict: Hailuo Ai offers accessible AI video creation now with great customization at a known price. Sora, when released, promises revolutionary realism, but its accessibility and customizability remain question marks. Which AI video generator reigns supreme for you? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge AI comparisons.